guys, it's Mrs. Rossow. I'm one of the PE teachers here in Carlisle Area School District. I teach at Leetort Elementary, which is where I am right now, and I also teach at Moreland. And you can see I'm in my office in my little cage on the stage because we have lots of cool equipment. But anyways, I'm here to introduce to you a cool activity that we're going to be doing this week. There's going to be two parts. You're going to be making an obstacle course. You already saw from our learning goal that you're going to be working on physical skills. We're focusing on balance, agility, which is kind of like going back and forth, coordination of your large muscles, being able to do things, and also fine motor skills, being able to maybe manipulate things with your smaller muscles, all in relation to objects, because we're going to be doing obstacle course stuff. And you need to follow your own directions because you're going to create your own obstacle course. So the first thing you need to do is investigate your house and find out what you can use for an obstacle course. Make sure you have your parents' permission. I don't want you getting in any trouble for using something that they don't want to drag outside or, you know, not doing anything in the house. But there's tons of stuff that you can do. I have a list right here. So I'm going to go over this list to kind of get you thinking, and then I have some samples. First of all, you can go under something. So you can go under a chair. I have a hammock in my front yard, so you can go under the hammock. You can go under a table. You can put a rope up and go under a rope or something. Over, you can jump over anything. You can jump over a bucket, you can jump over a cone, you can jump over pillows, you can jump over a shovel or anything. So just think of up, over, and under. In between, like zigzag. PE teachers, we have lots of cones. You can take flower pots and put them upside down, or plastic cups and put them upside down and make like a little zigzag for you to go through. You can drag something. You can drag like a wheelie cool. You can drag a wagon while you're running from one place to the next. I've even seen people ride bikes on obstacle courses. For a short portion, they just ride their bike from one place to the next, get off, and then they do the next challenge. Bounce. You can bounce a ball. You can bounce on a trampoline, whatever it is at that station. You can throw something in an obstacle course. You can throw something to a target, like throwing a ball through a hoop or throwing a football at a spot on a fence, and you can't move to the next, challenge until maybe you complete that throw to a target goal. So that's something you can think about. It's getting a little chilly right now, but if it's if it's warm outside, you can do something with water. Toss something into a bucket of water, scoop something out of a bucket of water. That would be a lot of fun. Any type of like a sack race. If you have an old pillowcase or an old bag, you could step in the bag and then hop and jump to the next spot. Just fun, creative. I still have more. You can lay something down and walk across it. Like you can walk across a mat, or maybe you would want to create some sort of a balance beam, or you have spots or rocks or something that you want to walk across. So again, you're working on that balance and coordination of large muscles, coordination of small muscles. You could have a jump rope station where you have to do, quick 5 jump ropes or even imaginary jump rope. If you have a swing set in your backyard or you're near a park and you're doing your obstacle course at the park, you could swing, a few times. You could kick a ball. I know we've been doing some of our soccer stuff with the older students, but you could kick a ball to a target and maybe you don't move to the next station until you've kicked that ball. Balance something on your nose. If you have some sort of like a short pool noodle like we have, or a balloon or something that won't blow away, you could try to balance something on your nose for 5 seconds before you go off to the next section. Hopping on spots, jumping through something. It's always fun to jump through. You can make a little hopscotch section where you have to, hop on 1 foot, jump with 2, hop on 1 foot, jump with 2, hop on 1 foot, and then you move off to the next section. So right now, you need to start thinking what you can use at your house. Your goal is to have 5 objects. Okay, you want at least 5 objects for the first part of our obstacle course that we're going to do. Okay, so I'm going to let you go now. Start thinking of what you need, gathering your supplies, and then wait for the following directions. All right, good luck, have fun.